Mending Bridges, Building Better Relationships. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we'll dive into an interesting English idiom, mending bridges. This phrase is not just about construction but carries a significant metaphorical meaning in social and personal contexts. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Mending bridges refers to the act of repairing or improving relationships that have been damaged or strained. It's derived from the idea of repairing a physical bridge, which reconnects two places. Similarly, when you mend bridges in relationships, you are working to reconnect and improve your bond with someone else. This idiom is often used in a context where there has been a disagreement or a falling out, and there's a need to restore harmony. To help you understand how to use mending bridges, let's look at some examples. 1. After their argument, they both worked on mending bridges and restoring their friendship. 2. The company is mending bridges with its customers after the recent controversy. 3. She decided to mend bridges with her brother, as she realized life is too short for grudges. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts: personal, professional, and familial. Mending bridges is crucial for healthy relationships. It involves acknowledging past mistakes, apologizing, and making efforts to improve the situation. This phrase emphasizes the importance of communication, forgiveness, and the willingness to move past conflicts. It's a valuable skill in both personal and professional life. Here are some tips to mend bridges effectively. 1. Acknowledge the problem. Recognize what caused the rift in the relationship. 2. Communicate openly. Have an honest conversation about the issues and listen to the other person's perspective. 3. Apologize sincerely. If you're at fault, offer a genuine apology. 4. Take action. Show through your actions that you are committed to improving the relationship. We hope this video helps you understand the meaning and usage of mending bridges. Remember, mending bridges is all about healing and improving relationships, a vital aspect of our social lives. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.